What is up, ladies and gentlemen? This is Tyler with Tarver Academy, the YouTube channel you're on right now. First off, if you could subscribe, that's going to change your life, unless it doesn't. Okay, so I'm going to show you really quick how to suggest edits on someone's Google Doc. Okay, so I'm in my book right now that I'm writing, and I'm going to suggest some edits. Okay, so in this, they have shared with me a commenter access with me. So up here in the upper right, do you see where it says suggesting? If I was editing and they gave me editing access, I could turn that on. I can change it to suggesting. So whenever I go in and make changes, it's not permanent. They can look at it, review it, and decide if they want to use it. And then viewing. So they can just look at it. So for instance, let's say I want to go in and I want to say you need to take this out. When I hit delete, they'll still be able to see it. And then the person, when they go back through and decide if they want to keep or not keep what you changed, they can just hit check and it'll automatically make the change, or X and it'll discard their recommendation. And you can even go in and say, see, does it right there. It adds in extra stuff, so it makes everything green that is a suggestion. Just make sure it's turned off or on. There you go. The end. You just learned something. Wow. You should sub. Everybody's doing it.